Welcome to today's video, where we'll delve into one of the most common challenges many of us face, procrastination. Have you ever found yourself putting off important tasks until the last minute only to feel stressed and overwhelmed? You're not alone. Procrastination affects people from all walks of life, but the good news is that overcoming it is entirely possible with the right strategies and mindset. In this practical guide, we'll explore actionable steps to help you take control of your time, boost productivity, and finally conquer procrastination once and for all. So let's dive in and discover how to turn procrastination into motivation and take meaningful action towards achieving your goals. Introduction. Procrastination is a common struggle that many people face in their daily lives. Whether it's putting off important tasks, delaying decision-making, or avoiding responsibilities, procrastination can hinder productivity and lead to feelings of frustration and guilt. However, overcoming procrastination is possible with the right strategies and mindset. In this guide, we'll explore the root causes of procrastination and provide actionable steps to help you overcome it and regain control of your time and productivity. Understanding procrastination. Before diving into solutions, it's essential to understand why procrastination occurs. Procrastination often stems from various factors, including fear of failure, perfectionism, lack of motivation, overwhelm, and poor time management skills. Recognizing these underlying causes is the first step towards overcoming procrastination. Step 1. Identify your procrastination patterns. Take some time to reflect on your procrastination habits. What tasks do you tend to put off? Are there specific triggers or excuses that lead to procrastination? By identifying your procrastination patterns, you can gain insight into the underlying reasons behind your behavior. Step 2. Set clear goals and priorities. One of the most effective ways to overcome procrastination is to set clear and achievable goals. Break down larger tasks into smaller, manageable steps and prioritize them based on their importance and deadlines. Having a clear roadmap can help you stay focused and motivated to take action. Step 3. Create a structured schedule. Developing a structured schedule can help you better manage your time and avoid procrastination. Allocate specific time slots for different tasks, including both work-related activities and personal goals. Use tools like calendars, planners, or productivity apps to organize your schedule and hold yourself accountable. Step 4. Use the 2-minute rule. The 2-minute rule states that if a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it immediately. By tackling small tasks promptly, you can build momentum and overcome the inertia that often leads to procrastination. This rule is especially useful for overcoming procrastination on simple yet essential tasks. Step 5. Break tasks into manageable chunks. Large or daunting tasks can often feel overwhelming, leading to procrastination. Break down complex tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks, and focus on completing one step at a time. Celebrate your progress along the way, which can help boost motivation and reduce procrastination. Step 6. Overcome perfectionism. Perfectionism is a common barrier to productivity and can fuel procrastination. Instead of striving for perfection, aim for progress and accept that mistakes are a natural part of the learning process. Set realistic expectations for yourself and focus on taking consistent action rather than waiting for conditions to be perfect. Step 7. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself during your journey to overcome procrastination. Understand that everyone experiences setbacks and occasional lapses in motivation. Instead of dwelling on past procrastination, focus on the present moment and commit to making positive changes moving forward. Step 8. Find accountability and support. Seeking accountability from friends, family, or colleagues can help you stay on track with your goals and overcome procrastination. Share your goals with someone you trust and ask them to check in on your progress regularly. Additionally, consider joining online communities or support groups where you can connect with others facing similar challenges. Step 9. Use visualization and affirmations. Visualization techniques involve mentally picturing yourself completing tasks and achieving your goals. Visualizing success can help boost motivation and reduce procrastination. Similarly, positive affirmations can reframe negative thoughts and beliefs, empowering you to take action and overcome procrastination. Step 10. Reward yourself for progress. Finally, remember to celebrate your achievements and reward yourself for making progress. Whether it's a small treat, a break to relax, or a fun activity, acknowledging your efforts can reinforce positive behaviors and motivate you to continue overcoming procrastination. Conclusion: overcoming procrastination is a journey that requires self-awareness, commitment, and perseverance. By understanding the root causes of procrastination and implementing practical strategies, you can break free from the cycle of delay and procrastination. Remember that progress takes time, and be patient with yourself as you work towards becoming more productive and proactive in your daily life. With determination and consistent effort, you can conquer procrastination and achieve your goals with confidence.